Hello, this is Trent Smith with the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, doing the planning briefing for Sunday, December 22nd. Quickly looking at the matrix, we do have another weak little disturbance that's going to come through the area tonight into Monday morning, causing some snow in the higher terrain and a wintry mix in the valleys, especially across northwest Montana and west central. Another very subtle little feature into Tuesday kind of time frame, and then again Wednesday, and then Thursday onward, kind of just seeing several different features. So a pretty active weather pattern ahead for us. So quickly, just looking at temperatures are going to be relatively mild for this time of year, running around 5-10 degrees above normal, especially in the valley locations. But at night, things will still drop down into the freezing or just slightly below freezing marks, which could cause some issues with some of these disturbances. Looking at wind gusts, nothing significant in the wind except for right along the Continental Divide around McDonald Pass, Marias Pass. Could see some gusty winds, maybe some south winds developing up on Thursday into Friday and Saturday. But again, nothing too strong, but definitely going to be kind of breezy right along the divides and in the higher terrain. Snow levels with this mild weather, we are going to be kind of above normal through kind of the Monday, Tuesday time frame, looking at snow levels being above 5,000 feet. Then they kind of drop on Wednesday, but that kind of is our quietest period, is actually on Christmas Day itself. And then they'll just slowly start rising Thursday into the weekend, being above the majority of the valleys, except for the high valley locations of southwest Montana. Looking at the probability of precipitation, like I said earlier, it appears to be a fairly active period. Again, we have one disturbance coming in tonight into Monday morning, another one onto Tuesday into Wednesday morning, and then another system coming in Wednesday night, and then just a steady stream of disturbances and moisture Thursday on into the weekend. With those snow levels being relatively high, the valleys are going to be dealing with a wintry mix, predominantly rain, maybe some pockets of freezing rain, but our concern is that the ground surfaces will remain below freezing, so especially at night, wet roads could just start freezing up just due to that. It's not the typical freezing rain, but we could see some patchy ice. The higher valleys of southwest Montana could see a little bit of snow mixed in with all these little features. So again, the valleys are kind of going to have a bag of several different precipitation types. Well, the mountains will be seeing a predominant snow, but nothing big. There's not like one big period of heavy snow anticipated, but come Thursday onward, like Lookout Pass could see fairly steady snow for multiple days and just steadily ticking off. So this is what our models are kind of depicting for each disturbance. Again, with Lookout Pass kind of being our winner over the next week, potentially getting 2 to 3 feet of additional snow. But again, not one big system's anticipated, just lots of little disturbances with fairly steady precipitation in our higher terrain. So our next briefing is scheduled for Thursday, December 26th. But if you have any questions, feel free to give the office a call, and happy holidays to everyone.